Hello everyone. Request timeout problem. This request takes too long to process. Please contact administrator. Connection timeout. Let's resolve the issue. Go to web hosting service provider. In my case, my service provider is Razorhost. I am logging into the cPanel. You also need to log in the cPanel of your web hosting service provider. Under the cPanel dashboard, locate the file manager option. Click on it and look for public HTML. Under this, you need to locate .htaccess file. If you are not able to find, you need to do this setup. Go to setting and here click on show hidden files. Click on save. Now your .htaccess file is visible. Right click and edit it. Under this, you need to insert the code which I have given in the description. Here, you can keep as it is 180 also, but I need little bigger size, so I am making as a 360. If you want, you can increase. If you want, you can decrease here. Click on save changes. Now, you need to come to another file called wp-config. Right click, edit. Click on edit. Here also, you need to insert the code which I have given in the description. Here also, if you want to increase. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. I want to increase, so I am making as it to 512 MB and I am click on the save changes. Once it's saved, close this. Here one time reload and then come to the website link page and refresh it. Your problem is resolved. Thank you. Have a nice day.